Welcome to the ultimate beginner's guide on mastering FanDuel promo codes and maximizing every single dollar you put into your account. If you've been looking for a clear, step-by-step walkthrough on how to navigate the world of sports betting bonuses, you are in exactly the right place. Most people think they need to spend hours scouring the dark corners of the internet for a secret string of letters and numbers to unlock a deal. But the reality in 2026 is actually much simpler and frankly more user-friendly. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on how FanDuel actually handles these promotions, from the moment you download the app to the second you place that first qualifying wager. We will cover the specific bet and get offers currently dominating the platform, the hidden nuances of the terms and conditions that often trip up newcomers, and the pro strategies for using those bonus bets once they hit your account.
By the end of this guide, you'll not only know how to claim your bonus, but you'll also understand how to protect your bankroll while doing it.
Let's start with the biggest question on everyone's mind. Where do I actually find and enter a promo code? Here is the secret that most experts won't tell you right away. For the vast majority of FanDuel's flagship offers in 2026, you don't actually need a physical code. FanDuel has moved toward a system of automatic enrollment or link-based tracking. This means that if you sign up through an official promotional link, or even just download the app and register during a major promotional window, the system is designed to tag your account as eligible for the welcome bonus automatically. When you get to the sign-up screen, you might see a box that says promo code optional, and if you don't have one, don't panic. You aren't missing out on some underground deal.
Usually, that box is reserved for specific influencer partnerships or physical vouchers from retail locations. If you're coming in through a standard promotional offer, like the bet $5 get $150 in bonus bets deal, the software already knows who you are and what you're entitled to. The most important part of the process isn't typing in a code. It's making sure you meet the eligibility requirements, which include being at least 21 years old in most states and being physically located within a state where FanDuel is legally operating. Once you've successfully registered your account, the next hurdle is the initial deposit. This is where many beginners make their first mistake. To trigger the current welcome promotions, you typically need to make a minimum deposit of at least $5 or $10. However, you have to be careful about which payment method you choose.
While FanDuel is incredibly flexible, offering everything from Apple Pay and Venmo to traditional debit cards, some specific offers may exclude certain deposit methods like Pay Near Me or cash at counter locations. For the smoothest experience and to ensure you don't accidentally disqualify yourself from a $150 or $250 bonus, I always recommend using a verified debit card or a direct link to your bank account. It's also vital to remember that these promo offers are strictly for new users. If you've ever had a FanDuel account in the past, even if it was just for daily fantasy sports or the racebook, you might find yourself ineligible for the Sportsbook welcome bonus. FanDuel uses a single account system across all its products, so if you're already in their database, you're officially a veteran in their eyes. Now let's talk about the bet and get mechanic, because this is where the strategy really comes into play. In 2026, FanDuel's primary offer usually requires you to place a $5 wager to unlock a much larger sum of bonus bets, but there's a catch that surprises a lot of people. Often, the bonus is only credited to your account if your first bet actually wins. This is a massive shift from the old guaranteed bonus days, and it means your first bet shouldn't be a wild Hail Mary on a 50-1 underdog. If you want to secure that $150 bonus, your smartest move is to find a heavy favourite, something like a team with odds of -300 or -500. While the payout on that individual $5 bet will be small, the real prize is the $150 in bonus credit that gets unlocked by the win. Think of that first bet as a key to a vault. You don't care how much the key costs or what it looks like, you just need it to turn the lock.
Always check the specific odds requirements in the terms and conditions, as some promos might require the odds to be greater than -500 to qualify.
After your qualifying bet wins and the dust settles, you'll see your bonus bets appear in your account, usually within 72 hours. But don't celebrate just yet, because bonus bets are not the same as cash. When you bet with your own money and win, you get back your original stake plus the profit. When you bet with bonus bets, you only get the profit. For example, if you place a $50 bonus bet on a team with plus 100 odds and they win, you receive $50 in cash, not the $100 you would get if you had used your own money. This is a crucial distinction that changes how you should value those credits. Furthermore, these bonus bets almost always come with an expiration date, typically 7 days from the moment they hit your account. If you don't use them, they vanish into thin air. This creates a use it or lose it scenario that can lead to impulsive betting if you aren't prepared. My advice is to have a plan for those credits before you even receive them. Look at the upcoming week's schedule and identify games where you feel confident, so you aren't scrambling to find a bet on the 6th day. For those of you who might be more interested in the casino side of things, the promo code process is slightly different, but equally straightforward. The 2026 FanDuel Casino offer often focuses on bonus spins or a play it again period. For instance, you might see a deal where you get 500 bonus spins after your first $10 deposit. Just like the Sportsbook, there's usually no code required if you use the right link. However, the bonus spins are often distributed over several days, say 50 spins per day for 10 days. If you skip a day and forget to log in, you lose those spins. It's a clever way for the app to keep you coming back, but as a savvy user, you need to set a reminder on your phone to make sure you're extracting every bit of value from the promotion. The winnings from these spins are typically credited as site credit, which carries a 1x wagering requirement. This means you only have to bet the money once before it becomes withdrawable cash, which is one of the most generous terms in the industry. Beyond the initial sign-up, FanDuel is famous for its existing user promotions, which function like ongoing promo codes that you don't have to type in. These are found under the Promos tab in the app, and you should be checking this every single day. You'll find things like profit boost tokens, no sweat same game parlays, and odds boosts. To use these, you usually have to click an opt-in button first. If you place your bet without clicking that button, the promotion won't apply, even if your bet meets all the other criteria. This is the #1 mistake I see experienced bettors make. They get excited about an NBA no-sweat offer, build a beautiful parlay, hit place bet, and then realise they never actually opted in. In 2026, the Boost Builder is also a popular feature, where the more legs you add to a parlay, the higher the percentage of your profit boost. It's a great way to squeeze extra value out of bets you were already planning to make, but remember to stay disciplined. Don't add trash legs to a parlay just to chase a higher boost percentage. Lastly, let's touch on what to do if things go wrong. Technology isn't perfect, and occasionally a promo might not trigger even if you followed all the steps. If you're sure you met the requirements, you deposited the right amount, you're in a legal state, and your bet met the odds criteria, don't hesitate to contact FanDuel support. In 2026, their live chat is quite responsive. If you forgot to use a specific influencer code during registration, you can often submit a support ticket within 48 hours, and they may be able to manually apply the credit to your account as a one-time courtesy. They want you as a customer, so they are generally willing to help if you're polite and have your facts straight. Just remember to gamble responsibly. Promotions are designed to be fun and to give you a head start, but they should never be the reason you're betting more than you can afford to lose. Use these tools to enhance your experience, play the long game, and enjoy the thrill of the win.